Hello and welcome! Today we will be making brownies. But instead of having a twist, we will be making a classic chocolate brownies. So here are the ingredients that you will need. In making your fudgy brownies, you need 1 cup chocolate, 1/2 cup butter, 1 cup sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 3 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/2 cup flour, and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. First, melt your chocolate and butter together. Set aside when you're done. In a mixing bowl, add your white sugar and brown sugar. Give a little mix and add eggs. Give a mix in each addition. Add your salt and vanilla. Mix them until creamy. When you're done mixing, sift in your flour and cocoa powder. Gently fold it in your mixture. When fully incorporated together, add your melted butter and chocolate. Mix them well together. In your prepared baking pan, pour in your brownie batter. Tap your pan on the counter. This will help the air bubbles to rise up to the top and your batter will be evenly distributed. Bake your brownies in a preheated oven, 30 minutes in a 180 degrees Celsius temperature. Once you're done baking, let it cool, then you can cut it. Because it is so fudgy, you can dip your knife in hot water so that it will cut your brownies smoothly. You can now enjoy your fudgy brownies. Thanks for watching!